Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we go over the Heigo roll cage that I decided to go with for my Porsche Cayman GTS. So there's actually quite a few roll cages that are made for the Cayman, and one of them is the StudioRSR. There's also the Cantrell Motorsports, GMG LMS, Deman Motorsports, AGI, and CMS Performance. So after months of deciding which roll cage to go with, I decided to go with Heigo from FVD. Here's the part number and the cost, and this is without shipping. A little bit more information here in regards to the roll cage. And here it is fam, made in Germany. Very well packaged. It does look like it got kind of crushed here on the ends, but it did get shipped internationally. But for the most part, everything is intact. Alright, so let's open her up and see what we got. Got a few stickers here. Not sure if I'll actually put them on my car. Everything seems to be very well packaged. Everything's in bubble wrap. Everything nice and tight. Nothing moving around for anything to bang against each other. As I'm opening everything here, I'm just looking at the quality. I mean, everything seems to look good. The finish of the black paint is a satin, which is going to be changed anyways when I paint this. But all the connections here are very solid. I was looking at the welds. Everything seems to be nice. The quality on this is top notch. Very happy with the way the cage looks. I went ahead and pre-assembled the cage. I just wanted to see what it looked like overall. That way it gives me an idea when I install it where everything should go and how everything should line up. here it is. The quality, I just can't believe how well this is designed. I double checked all the weld points. Everything looks pretty much on point. All the joints here, very well constructed. A lot of minor adjustments you can do by turning some of these. Not sure if they're dials or what you call them, but I mean, just overall, it's absolutely amazing. Here's what I was talking about, those things you can turn. You can adjust them to make them shorter or longer, and I'm pretty sure once I start installing this, I'll have to make the necessary adjustments for everything to fit correctly. Just giving you guys a lot of overall shots of the whole construction of the cage, just in case a lot of you are wondering. But I wanted to include plenty of video on that. That way you can decide whether this cage is something you guys want to go with. I know when I was researching online, not a whole lot other than pictures, but to actually get some video coverage the construction of the cage, actually, I think to me really helps. What do you guys think? I mean, I love it, and I can't wait to get this in. Alright fam, let's get to work. Alright fam, here it is, all installed. As far as the install, not too bad. You did see me use the rubber mallet earlier, and that's just because it is a tight fit, so I did have to kind of gently get it into place there. But overall, this went in like a glove. Alright fam, this will do it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna go ahead and take this back out and paint it gold flake from VHT. Same paint I used on my BMW for the crossbars in the engine bay. Thanks for watching fam, have an awesome and wonderful day.
All guys, all guys, all guys, all guys, all guys,